Ano ang ipinaglalaban natin sa West Philippine Sea? I can respond to that question in three different ways. First, data will show that almost 60% of the sea resources or the fish catch na kinukuha sa dagat ay nanggaling sa West Philippines. Secondly, I can respond to the energy security. We know for a fact that Malampaya is about to be depleted in the next coming years. And there are already a lot of studies saying that Reed Bank or Recto Bank can be a suitable replacement of the Malampaya in the next coming years. But for me, those two responses is very boring. No? Although it talks about food security, it talks about energy security. My third response to that question is because ang West Philippine Sea ay sumisimbolo ng ating pagka-Pilipino. Kapag nanonood tayo ng Olympics, we are very happy kapag nakaka-gold medal tayo. Kapag nananalo si Alex Ayala, natutuwa din tayo lahat dahil sabi natin Pilipino tayo. Kapag pinag-usapan natin ang West Philippine Sea, tatanungin mo ko, ano ba ang ipinaglalaban natin sa West Philippine Sea? Isn't that unfair, right? You know, the West Philippine Sea is part of the Philippine archipelago. Our national heroes fought for our independence and sovereignty. Maraming bayaning Pilipino ang nagpakamatay para sa Pilipinas. We should not question what we are fighting for in the West Philippines. Right? Kung ano man ang West Philippine Sea na karagatan, ito ay sumisimbolo din sa kalupaan na tinutuntungan natin ngayon. That's how important and that's how we should see West Philippine Sea. Are we not defending West Philippine Sea? That is also your part of the question, right? Are we not defending? As we speak right now, hundreds of Coast Guard sailors are patrolling West Philippine Sea. Hundreds of members of the armed forces of the Philippines are deployed in different remote areas in the West Philippine Sea para tuluyan nating tindigan ang laban natin sa West Philippines. So my response to you is, we're fighting for it because that is ours. And we owe it to those national heroes who died for us to be free.